Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our Dart programming language course. I hope you all are fine. So our chapter 5 has been completed. Now in today's tutorial we are going to solve practice exercise of chapter 5. The first question is write a Dart program to add your name to hello.txt file. Let me open VS Code and show you practically. So first of all we need to import .io package. Import .io. Now here let me declare file and initialize with file, and here we need to give a path. We will create this file in download directory of our computer. C colon / users username, and here downloads. You can use any other folder or directory, there is no restriction. Here we need to create file hello.txt. This is a file. Here you can see the complete path. Now we can simply add our name into our file dot write as string sync. Here we can give our name. This is my name. Now if we run the program and let me open my download folder, here you can see a hello.txt file has been created, and here you can see my name. So this is the way we can create any file and add any string into this file. The next question is write a Dart program to append your friend's name to a file that already has your name. Now we will add our friend name into same file that we already created in our previous question. Let me show you. Everything will remain same. We just need to replace name here. Now we will add a new name. For example, name is Ali. But this time we need to use here mode, file mode file mode dot append. Here you can see, because we need to append the existing file. So it will not replace our previous text into our file, but it will append. If I run it, now let me open the file. This is the same file. Here you can see our friend name has been added. So this is the way we can append any file by using file mode dot append. The next question is write a Dart program to get the current working directory. This is very simple. We just need to use print statement. Print directory dot current. We already discussed in our previous tutorials. So it will print current working directory. You can see it is printing current working directory. Because we are using VS Code, that is why this is Microsoft VS Code. This is current working directory. The next one is write a Dart program to copy the file hello.txt to hello copy.txt file. Let me show you. So this is our existing file that we already created. Now we will copy this file. Let me show you. File dot copy sync. Here we need to give a new path where we want to copy this file. In our case, we want to copy into same path. Let me give the same path. C users username downloads, but file name will be hello copy.txt. This is very simple. Now if I run my program and open my download directory, here you can see hello copy.txt file. This is same file. So this is the way we can copy any file in Dart language. The next one is write a Dart program to create 100 files using loop. This is very important question. Now we will create 100 files by using for loop. First of all, let me use here for loop. For int I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 100. You all know how to use for loop. so don't need to explain it. Here we will create 100 files by using for loop. First of all, let me declare a file and initialize it. Again, initialize it. Given path, users, username, downloads. So each time we need to give a different name. So here we will give a name file $i dot txt. So it will create a unique file name for all our files when we use I. So it will start creating from file 1 to file 100. This is the way we can create files. Simply we can write into our file write as string sync. For now we can store only hello like this. So if I run it, let me open my download directory. Here you can see our 100 files has been created. Here you can see our first file name is file1 and last file name is file100. This is the way we can create files by using loop. Next one is write a dot program to delete file hello copy.txt. Make sure you have created the file hello copy.txt. This is very simple. If I open my download folder, let me delete all the files in order to understand better. So you can see I have only hello and hello copy.txt files. Now I have a requirement to delete hello copy.txt file. Let me show you. So this is the path of hello copy.txt file. Now I will simply delete this file.delete sync. Now it will delete hello copy.txt file. Let me show you. Now if I open my download folder, you can see a hello copy file has been deleted. The last one is write a dot program to store name, age and address of students in a CSV file and read it. Let me show you. We will create a CSV file into our same folder in download folder. Let me give a name my file, or we can name it as students.csv. Extension will be CSV. Now we will add different data into our CSV file. We can simply add data file dot write as string sync like this. First of all, we need to give titles. The titles are name, age and address. Name, comma, age, comma, address. These are the titles. Now we can add data. In order to add data, we need to change the line. We need to use \n. It means new line. Now on new lines we will add data same like name, age and address. Here first of all we need to add name. For example, this is name, and here we need to add age same like our titles, and here address we can add address 1 for example. So this is just only one entry, only one data. If I run it, here you can see students.csv file has been created. If I open it, here you can see data has been added. We can add different data into our file. Let me show you. Now our file has a data, only one data. Now let me remove this line. Now we will use for loop to add data into our file. I1 I less than equal to, for example, we want to add 100 records into our file I plus plus like this. Now here we will use file dot write as string sync. Here we will add data. Next line, first of all we need next line, and here we will use name $i comma age, for example $i, and address $i like this. So it will add 100 records into our CSV file, but here we need to use a file mode append. because we want to append file mode append. Otherwise, it will replace previous data. Now, if I run it, now let me test the file. Let me open it. Here you can see data has been added successfully. You can see these are the records. So I hope you understand how to add data into CSV file. Now we can read it by using our Dart language. Let me remove for loop. We can simply print file dot read as string sync like this. If I run my program, here you can see it is showing all the data. This is all the data of our CSV file. So this is the way we can create a CSV file and add data into our file, and then we can read this data. So our chapter 5 has been completed. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask in comment box or you can contact me directly on WhatsApp. Okay, good luck.